In this video, we're going to be looking at estimating the mean. Now, we estimate the mean when we don't know the exact data or we don't have the raw data. All we know is that 19 pupils took between 0 and 5 minutes, but we don't know if any of those pupils took exactly 0, and we don't know if anyone took exactly 5. All we know is the 19 is spread in between them. We start off by finding the midpoint. That's the halfway point between 0 and 5. So that'll be 2.5. Then we find the halfway point between 5 and 10, which is 7.5. Halfway between 10 and 15, 12.5. The halfway between 15 and 20 is 17.5. And halfway between 20 and 25 is 22.5. So remember, there are midpoints. Now we need another column, and we're looking for the total amount of time that those 19 pupils took. Now we know the halfway point was 2.5, so we do 2.5 multiplied by 19. Then for our next one, we do 7.5 multiplied by 17, and so on. Now we've found each of those totals, we need to add up the total. And that will give us 432.5. Then we need to know how many pupils there were. Now sometimes it will tell you this in the question, other times you'll have to work it out. And that is 53. Now to estimate the mean, we've got 432.5 divided by 53. And that will give us an estimate for the mean of 8.16 to 2 decimal places. Now it wants the median class. So that means which group would the median be in? Now to find the median, first of all, we have to do 53 divided by 2, which is 26.5. So now I'm going to do a running total until I get to the group that's got the 26.5 pupil in it. So I started off with 19 in my first group. Have I reached 26.5 yet? No, I've not. Then I add on 17. So that will give me 36. Have I reached the 26.5 pupil yet? I have. So therefore, the median class is 5 less than t less than or equal to 10. Now the modal group is a group which has got the largest number of pupils in it. And the group with the largest number of pupils is 0, which is less than t, which is less than or equal to 5. Now for the range, I'm looking at the biggest number of minutes, take away the smallest number of minutes. So I've got 25, which is the largest possible, take away 0, which is 25. So my range is 25.